the two. So this week we're continuing our kind of body movement and body isolation kind of unit per se. And we went into, we did a little bit of review from last time. So if you weren't here last time and you would like a more detailed videos to like doing lateral body rolls, feel free to see the week 6 video. What we did today, we went into the body rolls, both in single, like doing it yourself, and then also in partners. So I'm gonna go over the single stuff, and then Cesar's gonna go over the partner work. Okay. All right, so basically body rolls are just more isolations, right? So we're isolating our chest, our torso, our hips, and kind of like we're sitting and doing a little bit of extra work. So what we're doing whenever we're in our body roll kind of position, we'll have one leg forward and the other leg back. So for practice purposes, we had our right forward and our left back. We're always starting with a prep. So that prep is closing our chest, going back, and then we're going to bring our chest open and forward. So whenever we do a body roll, we're gonna have basically one, like if there was like a wall right here, we're gonna have one body part touching that wall at a time, and we did that kind of in our class. So we're gonna have our chest first, and then our chest is gonna go back, and then our abs are gonna be here. We wanna make sure that we're engaging our core. And then we're gonna be bringing our abs back, and then our hips are gonna be forward. And this is kind of an ugly position, but it makes for an easier transition. We want it to kind of look a little ugly, so this part looks a little bit more like smooth, okay? So whenever we're doing this, we're prepping again, and then we're opening our chest. We're bringing our chest back and our abs forward. We're bringing our hips forward and our abs back, and then we're gonna swing our hips back. To go back up, we're just gonna do the exact same thing but opposite. So we're gonna swing our hips forward, we're gonna bring our abs forward, we're gonna breathe in and bring our chest forward, and then we're gonna reset and collect. So all of this together, prep, chest, abs, hips, swing, swing, abs, chest, reset. And then one thing that we did during our class was touching each of the body parts that were going to be isolated at a given time. So it was chest, abs, hips, sit, hips, abs, chest, and then we're resetting. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we did. We just did it on both sides, so just having the other foot forward. But again, just remembering that we are prepping, we prep every single body roll, and remembering that we're collecting our foot at the end and resetting our weight. In terms of weight distribution, we want to start with our weight back as we're prepping, and then when we open our chest, we're bringing our weight forward. So all of it together is going to look like this with counts. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, and then a partners.
All right, so there was, we went over 3 ways of how to lead a body roll in partners. One was the open position, one was the sweetheart, and then the other one was the cuddle position. So first, on the open position, what we did here was we kind of did a whole basic, and then we either went on the 1, which meant that it's kind of like an open break on the 1. We step out both on the 1, and then we do the whole body roll up and down, and then we collect, and then we start again our basic. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna do a whole basic first, and then we're gonna do it on the 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, and then the other way that we did it was on the sweetheart position, and we talked about how we've probably done this move a lot of times, and you've learned that in Bachata 1. And what I've seen, especially in social, is people going straight into the body roll, and that doesn't always work because the frame is not always there from the follows and from the leads as well. So what we did is we did a basic going forward, back, and then prepping with our chest, the lead, with your chest prepping to go into the body. So it's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the same thing with the cuddle. We're just gonna go again forward and back and then straight into it. This on this position, you can lead it actually a little bit better with your chest and even with your hips here. All right, so it's gonna look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we also added a little bit of flair to the cuddle, which looked like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there, when we're on the 6 here, kind of going up, the leads with the right arm, we're gonna kind of push down a little bit, and then with this arm here, the frame should always be there, so you can push back, and you step out on 7, collect on 8. It's kind of like a half turn, very fast, 8, 1.
Yeah, and then whenever we're doing that movement for follows, we want to make sure to close our chest and just relax our head down.